JDRZ, and in this video I will tell you what is proxy server and how to use in your devices. So let's get started. Usually we found that some of the websites are blocked by our server, and because of that we are unable to access those websites. So here proxy server play a great role through which we can easily access those websites. Also, when we search any website, then it will hide our IP address through which no one can track our location. So means proxy server is totally secure. So in order to use proxy server, go to Google Chrome and type free proxy server. And from here you can choose any proxy server. So for example, I choose this proxy.com. After opening it, tap your blocked website name. For example, in India, streamable.com website is blocked. So let's try to open through this proxy website. Simply type here streamable.com and let's see it will open or not. So guys, this website is successfully opened, and with the help of this method you can easily access any blocked website. I hope you all enjoyed this video.